Welcome to the future of commercial buildings, where your workspace adapts to you in real time, your building predicts what you need before you do, and artificial intelligence manages everything behind the scenes to make it all seamless. This is the era of the hyper-intelligent building. So what is a hyper-intelligent building? It's not just smart, it's aware. It's a fully digitized AI-powered environment that senses, thinks, and responds. It uses artificial intelligence, connected devices, and a living virtual model to optimize energy, security, comfort, maintenance, and cost all day, every day. At the core is something called a digital twin. Imagine scanning the entire building, every floor, every wall, every pipe, every wire, and creating a perfect digital replica that lives in the cloud. That twin doesn't just sit there, it's constantly updated with real-time data from every sensor and system in the building. It reflects the actual state of the building at every moment. Facility managers, operators, and technicians can access this digital twin in a 3D environment, on a screen, in virtual reality, or through augmented reality headsets. They can walk through the building remotely, inspect systems, view maintenance history, even simulate future changes before making them. It's like Google Maps for your building, except it knows the temperature in each room, how many people are inside, and when the elevator will need servicing. At the center of it all is an advanced AI, but this AI isn't just following rules, it's learning constantly, based on billions of data points from the building and from other hyper-intelligent buildings around the world. Let's break it down. First, energy. The AI manages heating, cooling, lighting, and ventilation based on who's in the building, what time it is, the outside temperature, and historical usage patterns. If only 3 people show up on a Friday afternoon, it won't waste energy running the entire system at full capacity. It fine-tunes everything minute by minute, room by room. Second, security. The AI monitors access points, camera feeds, and behavioral patterns. It doesn't just see someone entering, it understands if that person's behavior deviates from the norm. It can lock a door, alert a guard, or contact emergency services in seconds, and it doesn't get tired, ever. Third, maintenance. The AI tracks the health of every system, every pump, fan, motor, light bulb. It knows how long each component typically lasts. It knows when performance starts to dip. It schedules repairs before breakdowns happen, orders parts automatically, and notifies human staff only when needed. Fourth, occupant experience. The AI recognizes individual preferences. If you like your office cooler and with softer lighting, it adjusts for you. It can adjust ambient noise, filter air more efficiently, and guide visitors through the building via smart signage or augmented reality. Every employee, every tenant gets a space that adapts to them, and all of this is powered by a web of IoT sensors embedded throughout the building. Every thermostat, smoke detector, window sensor, and motion detector contributes to the building's intelligence. This data is the lifeblood of the system, but the innovation doesn't stop at the building's walls. Each hyper-intelligent building is connected to a global network, a metaverse of buildings that share data, insights, and best practices. This collective learning allows each building to get smarter by learning from what happens elsewhere. If a new security risk is detected in New York, a building in Berlin can be updated within minutes. If an energy-saving breakthrough happens in Tokyo, your building in Toronto can implement it the next day. This is swarm intelligence applied to infrastructure. Now let's talk about risk and insurance. Traditional commercial insurance is based on historical data. You pay your premium and hope nothing goes wrong. But hyper-intelligent buildings don't wait for things to go wrong. They actively manage risk in real time. Imagine your building detecting a slight pressure change in a pipe and shutting down the water before a major leak occurs, or recognizing an unauthorized attempt to access a secure area and locking down the zone immediately. The AI flags potential risks and mitigates them before they escalate. This real-time risk management transforms the insurance model. Insurers no longer have to guess. They can offer dynamic premiums that adjust based on live data. Building owners benefit from lower costs. Insurers gain more accurate insights and fewer claims. That's a win-win, and the benefits go even further. For building owners and investors, hyper-intelligent buildings hold higher market value, cost less to operate, last longer, and attract better tenants. The ROI is clear and compelling for tenants and occupants. You get a space that adjusts to your needs, promotes well-being, and makes your workday smoother, healthier, and safer. It's like having a personal assistant built into the walls. For facility managers, gone are the days of reactive maintenance and endless spreadsheets. You get predictive alerts, real-time dashboards, and the ability to manage the building from anywhere, even your phone. For insurers and risk professionals, you're no longer writing policies in the dark. You're partnering with buildings that manage risk continuously and intelligently. Compare all this to traditional commercial buildings. They're siloed, manual, reactive. Systems don't talk to each other. Problems are discovered late, often after they've become expensive. The hyper-intelligent building is integrated, automated, and anticipatory. It's not just about technology, it's about a whole new mindset. And that mindset is creating new business opportunities. Entirely new industries are emerging. Hyper-intelligent building platforms offered as a service. Digital twin design consultancies, real-time insurance and risk modeling firms, metaverse-based property management companies, and data marketplaces for anonymized building intelligence. We're at the start of a new economic ecosystem, one centered around living buildings that think, learn, and evolve. Adoption will start with premium properties, Class A office towers, universities, airports. But as costs drop and results speak for themselves, the retrofitting wave will follow. Governments will likely push the transition with green incentives, carbon credits, and safety regulations, but we must also address ethics. With intelligence comes responsibility. Privacy must be protected, data must be secure, AI decisions must be explainable and fair, human oversight must remain a part of the system, hyperintelligence must serve people, not replace them. The vision is not control, it's harmony, harmony between people and place, between energy and ecology, between technology and humanity. In a hyper-intelligent building, the walls listen, the lights respond, the air adapts, the structure itself becomes your partner in productivity, wellness, and sustainability. It's more than a smart building. It's a living, breathing ecosystem. The future isn't just connected. It isn't just efficient. It isn't just smart. It's hyper-intelligent, and it's already being built. Are you ready to step inside?